Hello everyone, welcome to this video on bold reports. When building reports, it's important to make them interactive and user-friendly. In this video, I will show you how to create and link dataset parameters in an RDL report in the Bold Reports Designer so users can filter data dynamically. This technique works for both web and desktop report designers, but I will use the web version from the Bold Reports report server for this demo. Let's get started. First, I create a new report in the report server and name it Dataset Parameters Report. I create a data source using the AdventureWorks database and SQL Server, and name it AdventureWorks. Since I already have the database details as a connection string, I use the advanced option to enable it. Next, I select None as the authentication type since the connection string already has credentials. This button connects to the data source and launches the query designer. I name the dataset Sales Dataset. Now, I will show you how to create and link dataset parameters. I add a table. First, I need to apply filters to the table. I click on the filters icon. Then I add the order ID and add the value. I include it as a parameter. I also add filters to the order quantity. Then save it. I click Finish to create the dataset. Next, I rename the report parameters to apply linking manually. Next, to create and link dataset parameters, I edit the dataset. I click on the parameters icon in the Query Designer toolbar. The Parameters dialog box will open. To create a new dataset parameter, I click on the Add icon. In the parameter name field, I add the name of the parameter. For my case, I use order ID. Then I create another parameter by clicking the Add icon. I add order quantity in the parameter name field. Next, I will show you how to link the parameters. Here, the order ID report parameter is linked with the order ID query parameter. I also link the order quantity query parameter to the report parameter. I click OK to save the parameter linking state. Then run it to see the values retrieved from the database and displayed in the preview area. I click Finish to save the dataset. Next, I need to add a table to display sales details. I'll start with a title. I enable the header area. Add a rectangle that acts as a container for the text. And resize it. I change the background color to enhance the look. To add the title, I add a text box inside the rectangle and label it Sales Order Details. Next, I format the text by changing the font, color, size, weight, and vertical alignment. If there is extra space around the text, we can resize the text box and rectangle to adjust it. Next, I add a table to display sales details and add the necessary number of columns. I give it a header row. You format it. I assign corresponding values to the data rows and format them. I need to apply some basic formatting to enhance the table's appearance. So I select the header row and change the font family, weight, background color, and color. In the same way, I format the value rows. Since the currency value need to be displayed in currency format, I select the unit price and change the format to currency with 2 decimal points. Now everything is ready to preview the report. I switch to preview in the top panel. You can see the report was retrieved based on the selected values. In this video, I have shown you how to create and link dataset parameters. If you found this video useful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.